The installation of battery and wireless technology is quick and easy. However, a few basic factors must be considered. Construction materials within the building can drastically reduce the range of transmission. This typically occurs in underground structures, stairways, or lifts, and where fire doors are in place. Items of hard furniture, such as furnishings and filing cabinets, can also cause problems. Wireless receivers or control units should not be placed within metal housings that shield devices from radio waves. Antennas should be placed correctly. Direction of transmission should ideally be a straight line without line-of-sight hindrances. The angle of attack and thickness of material that the signal must travel through should also be considered. N-Ocean devices have a range of up to 300 metres. In an indoor environment, this reduces to 30 metres. However, ideally, each device should be placed within 10 to 15 metres of its receiver. Assume an effective range of half the calculated range. To extend range, repeaters can be installed, taking care not to saturate the environment electronically.